Okay, now that we have this already timed down, placed perfectly, we're gonna consolidate this. And then I can adjust everything kind of easier here. Let's see if we can shift this timing a little bit.
I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. I kinda like it that you love. I kinda like it that you.
Maybe not.
I kinda like it that you love. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be really the best timing that I'm trying to work with here. It's still not exactly like the time in this, so I'm still hearing the contrast between this timing and this timing. It's kind of throwing me off.
You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. Yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. Yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
All right, let's try maybe adding some more of these reverse little tails.
I kinda like it that you love me, yeah. You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. Yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
Okay, yeah, that helped out a lot. It just kind of covers up the quick little attack that's going on with her vocal.
You're getting to a taste. I know you want it, babe. Yeah. I kinda like it that you love me, yeah.
All right, so then let's go ahead and just repeat this guy right here. Okay, let's do a listen from the very beginning. try something. Let's just repeat this part right here. Let's try that. Let's go ahead and filter this guy in though. Simple little automation will do. Right about there. Let's go open up all the way right here. And then automate it to be only on at this point.
Keep